So a lot of people actually asked me that यार कंटेंट क्रिएशन के साथ साथ सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग का 9 to 5 जॉब प्लस उसके साथ जिम, ये सब चीज़ें एक साथ मैनेज कैसे हो रही है. मुझे बहुत लोग आजकल पूछ रहे हैं, इवन ऑफिस में काफ़ी लोगों ने पूछा. And then a lot of friends are asking me this question, a lot of DMs I've got about this question, and also a lot of YouTube comments as well. तो आई जस्ट थॉट कि चलो डिस्कस करते हैं इसके बारे में. तो मैंने इस पर एक रील भी बनाई है इसके पहले, विच इज़ कॉल्ड ऑटो पायलट. अगर तुमने देखी होगी तो यू वुड नो. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई बिलीव इन. सो व्हाट आई मीन बाय ऑटो पायलट इज that there are 4 aspects of life, right? In life we have health, relationship, career and money. और इन चारों चीज़ों को बैलेंस करना is what life is about, I feel. So for example, so I am 27 right now, right? So I actively focus on my career, and my career as a software engineer, as well as my career as a content creator on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn. But all the 3 other aspects of my life are working on autopilot. By autopilot I mean they are being maintained at the same level, and I'm not literally like growing in them, but I'm just maintaining those. तो किसी भी चीज़ को ना मेंटेन करने के लिए जितना एफर्ट लगता है, that's 1/10 of the effort that you need to actually grow in that domain. So for example, if I say health, I'm maintaining my health. What I mean is I'm not trying to get any more fitter, but that doesn't mean I want to get any more fatter. You know what I mean? So मुझे इस फिटनेस लेवल को ही मेंटेन करना है. So if I have a flat stomach, I'm okay with the flat stomach. I don't want abs right now because that is not my priority. So when I see people having abs, I have a lot of respect for them, but that doesn't cause, like, I don't get FOMO because of that, because मुझे पता है कि currently health is not the aspect that I'm actively working on. It is in maintenance, which means that I know कि मुझे maintenance calories कितने खाने हैं, कितना प्रोटीन खाना है वगैरह वगैरह. और मैंने वो सिस्टम्स एंड प्रोसेसेस ऑलरेडी बिल्ड कर लिए, तो मुझे ज़्यादा एफर्ट नहीं देना पड़ता. वो अपने आप वो चीज़ है, मैं रोज़ सेम चीज़ खाती हूँ, एंड वो 5 दिन का डाइट प्लान इज ऑलरेडी इज रेडी, एंड आई कीप फॉलोइंग दैट ओवर एंड ओवर अगेन. मैं कुछ ऐसे ज़्यादा एक्सपेरिमेंट नहीं करती, एंड इवन विथ माई वर्कआउट्स आई डोंट एक्सपेरिमेंट. आई नो वट वर्क्स फॉर मी, वट डजंट वर्क फॉर मी, सो आई कीप वर्किंग ऑन द सेम थिंग्स ओवर एंड ओवर अगेन consistently. Similarly, for relationships, autopilot means that, I'm 27 and making new friends at this age is very difficult. Like, you have to give a lot of time, energy, money, everything. So I just feel कि I keep maintaining my old friendships, because जो भी मेरे दोस्त हैं, mostly they are from, since 14 years, 15 years. Like, I've known them for 10, 14, 15 years. Through my undergrad, through my 11th, 12th degree, or through my childhood, in my society friends, someone like that, So I just feel वो friendships maintain करना काफ़ी आसान है, because वो तुमको बचपन से जानते हैं, so they just know your core, and you don't have to over explain to them or over compensate for them, and so that really works. Making new friends is a lot of effort, a lot of money, a lot of energy, which currently I don't want to invest in. So that's what I mean when I say maintaining relationships. Similarly, maintaining investments means, whatever current investments that you have already decided for yourself in terms of stocks or mutual funds or real estate or whatever, you keep maintaining those. But, you're not trying to, of course, trying to find new avenues to invest in. It takes a lot of effort because it takes a lot of research, and currently I'm not in the headspace to do that. So, अभी autopilot मतलब finance wise भी autopilot पे ही investments चल रहे हैं. Health wise भी autopilot पे चल रहा है, and similarly for relationships also it's being maintained. So maintaining anything is 10 times much easier than growing in that domain, and that's what I mean. So तुमको इस चक्कर में ना autopilot की वजह से FOMO नहीं होता. That's the best thing, and it seems to the outer world कि you're managing everything together, but actually you're not. You're just trying to actively focus on one aspect of life, and the other 3 are working in autopilot. अब ये चीज़ है different phases of life में. I'm just 27, so maybe career is at the forefront, but in different phases of your life, I'm damn sure that different aspects would come at the front, wherein you have to actively work on them, and the other 3 would be worked on an autopilot mode. Like, for example, I keep telling my parents कि at this age the primary important thing in your life should be to work on your health actively. Baki relationships you've already developed, career you've already worked on, money you've already earned. The only thing that you should actively focus on is your health at this point of time. So yeah, I feel it makes life very easy. completely uncomplicated, and let me know if you think that this really works for you as well. But this has worked for me for about 20 years now, and that's all. Also let me know if you want me to make many more such videos, because I love, just sitting down and chatting. But such videos are like very long, so I don't think they're meant for Instagram as such, like Instagram reels. They're mostly meant for YouTube, so I'll try to make more videos on YouTube. If you want me to make such videos on different topics, let me know. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.